You've heard of creatine? But is it really safe? Does it mess with your kidneys? Does it cause hair loss? Let's clear up the confusion. Here are the 12 most asked questions about creatine. Answered simply and clearly, no science degree needed. I recommend you stick around until the end, because the last 2 questions are the most controversial. Let's go. Question number 1. What is creatine? Creatine is a natural compound found in your muscles. It helps make quick energy for things like lifting weights or sprinting. Your body produces some on its own, and you also get a bit from red meat and fish. But the amount from food is pretty small. That's why supplements help. When you take creatine, your muscles can store more of it, giving you an extra boost. Number 2. What does creatine do? It helps you train harder, do more reps, and recover faster. In short, it gives your muscles more fuel to perform better. It's especially useful for short, explosive movements like lifting or sprinting. You won't feel a buzz like caffeine, but you'll notice better performance over time. That edge can lead to more strength and muscle gains if you stay consistent. Next question. Is creatine safe? Yes. For healthy people, creatine is very safe. It's been studied for decades and is one of the most researched supplements ever. There's no evidence of harm in long-term use when taken correctly. Just drink enough water to stay hydrated, especially when you're training hard. And if you have kidney problems or health issues, check with your doctor first. Question number 4. How do you take creatine? The best form is creatine monohydrate. It's cheap and effective. Most people take 3 to 5 grams a day. You can mix it with water, juice, or a shake. It has no real taste. Some people do a loading phase, but it's not necessary. Taking a small daily dose works just as well in the long run. We continue with question number 5. When should you take it? Timing isn't a big deal. Before or after your workout both work. Some people like it post-workout with carbs, but the key is consistency. What matters most is taking it every single day. You can even take it on rest days. Your muscles still store it. Pick a time that's easy to remember and stick with it. Number 6. Will creatine make you gain weight? Yes, but mostly water weight at first. It pulls water into your muscles, which makes them look fuller. You might see the scale go up by 1 kilo or 2 in the first week. That's not fat. It's just your muscles holding more water. Over time, with better workouts, you may also gain real muscle mass. Number 7. Is creatine just for men? Not at all. Creatine works for women too. It helps with strength, energy, and recovery. It's safe for both men and women and doesn't affect hormones. Women who lift can benefit just as much, especially in terms of power and endurance. And no, it won't make you bulky. That myth needs to go. Okay, next on the list is number 8. Do you need to cycle creatine? There's no need to cycle on and off. There's no evidence that taking breaks makes it more effective. In fact, stopping just lowers your muscle creatine stores. If it's working for you, just keep taking it daily. Question number 9. What are the side effects? Most people don't have any. Some may feel a little bloated or get mild stomach cramps if they take too much at once. If that happens, try splitting the dose in half, morning and evening. Taking it with food can also help reduce any stomach discomfort. And again, drink enough water to support the extra water retention. Next up, number 10. Is creatine worth it? Absolutely. It's affordable, safe, and proven to help with strength and performance. If you're training regularly, it gives you a noticeable boost over time. Compared to most supplements, it has the best bang for your buck. For serious gym goers or athletes, it's a no-brainer. So, I think the next 2 questions are most controversial, and many people are confused about the right answers here. Let me make it clear. Number 11. Does creatine cause kidney damage? No, not in healthy people. Dozens of studies show no harm to your kidneys when used properly. Your blood levels of creatinine may go up, but that doesn't mean your kidneys are damaged. It just means your body is processing more creatine, which is totally normal. If you already have kidney issues, talk to your doctor just to be sure. The last one, number 12. Will creatine make you lose your hair? There's no solid proof. One small study linked it to higher DHT, a hormone tied to hair loss. But no one actually lost hair in the study. So far, no research shows that creatine directly causes baldness. If you're already prone to hair loss, it's something to watch, but not panic over. Most users never notice any change in hair at all. Now you've got the facts. Creatine works, it's safe, and it's simple to use. If you have more questions, drop them below. I'll answer you right away. And if you want to know what is the best rep range for you, watch the video on the screen, and I'll catch you in the next one.